Module number T3, independence. When you are born into this world, you're capable of only three things by yourself: cry, shit, and die. But you are completely dependent on others to wipe your ass. As you grow older, you naturally tend to become as independent as possible. This natural need comes with your drive to explore the world on your own terms. To do this, you need to be spontaneous and creative, which, if you are dependent, can't really develop to its full potential. Dependency expresses itself in different ways, such as waiting for people to solve your problems, feeling stuck, caged, and not free to express your true self or act as you want. So it makes no difference if you are addicted to cocaine or having a mommy solving your problems, as you always have to serve this dependency. What does it mean to be independent? I have here a list for you which make you independent. Make your own decisions instead of being forced or shamed into choosing something. You don't live with your parents. You make your home a safe place where you can be your true self without shame. You earn your own money. You make sure that you are able to travel fast and far. You get your problems solved. When you become more independent, you will probably look for ways to develop yourself and change your life goals. You might change you and your personality, allowing yourself to express yourself more authentic. This exposes you to encounter haters and mentors and get feedback that might hurt you coming from everyone around you, especially if you change randomly. Even your true friends and family will give you a reality check. It's important to honestly reflect and see if your goal and feedback is serving you or slowly bringing you down. Just believe in yourself and your ability to improve and go after that, as you deserve to be happy. If you do the work, it sometimes will be painful, but from pain comes achievement of new heights and attraction of new people. You might start getting more noticed by women as your value grows and you move up the dominance hierarchy. Your life will change drastically and you won't regret being addicted to your mommy and holding your hand. This is module number 3.